Watch this video to learn about the stock market. Sitting back and watching your money grow only sounds like a dream, but the truth is, it doesn't have to be just a dream to you any longer. This video is going to inform you about the stock market and how you can become successful with it, so that you can put your money somewhere and watch it grow with confidence. Prior to investing any cash with investment brokers, ensure you utilize the free resources you have available in order to shed some light on their reputation. If you take a little time to investigate the organization and understand their business practices, you will help to protect yourself against investment fraud. Beginner stock investors would be wise to make themselves prepared to lose a bit of money on some of their trades. Oftentimes, new traders panic at the first dollar they lose and quickly sell off their stocks before giving them a chance to recover on their own. Choose stocks that can produce better than average returns, which are about 10% annually. The possible return of a stock can be calculated by adding its growth rate and dividend yield. Stocks yielding 4% and which have a 10% earnings growth rate may produce a return of 14%. Create your own index fund. Choose an index you would like to track, like the Nasdaq or Dow Jones. Buy the individual stocks that are on that index on your own, and you can get the dividends and results of an index mutual fund without paying someone else to manage it. Just be sure to keep your stock list up to date to match the index you track. Do not even attempt to time the market. Historical return tracking has shown that the most profitable results come from methodical investments on a regular basis over time. Figure out how much of your monthly income you are comfortable investing. Then, start investing regularly and make sure you keep at it. Rebalance your portfolio quarterly. If you started with an 80-20 mix of stocks and bonds, the stocks will likely outpace the bonds, leaving you 90/10. Rebalance to 80-20 so that you can reinvest your stock earnings into bonds. This way you keep more of your earnings over the long run. Also rebalance among stock sectors, so that growing sectors can fuel buying opportunities in bear cycle industries. You can use the stock prices to track earnings. Short-term market behavior is generally based on fear, enthusiasm, news, and rumors. Long-term market behavior is mainly comprised of company earnings. These earnings can be used to determine whether or not a stock's price will rise, drop, or go completely sideways. You should now feel confident when you think about the stock market and investing. Your hard-earned money will be earned through knowledge, wit, and skills, in predicting which stocks are going to be worth more in the future. Apply the knowledge you read in this video and you should have no problem at all finding success. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest, and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.